About to get started at Center City. ICS Griffins will take on the FREIRE Charter School. They played once before this season. Number 15 will jump for ICS. FREIRE has their own cheer team that they brought with them today. 7 minutes on the clock. Cold day here in Philadelphia. Sam and Jewel at the scores table. CO Matt and Dana behind them. Here you have the glamorous Griffins, led by Angie, Coach Lauren, Coach Whitney. About to get started. And Coach Kia. Tip-off. 23 jumping off for FREIRE. And number 11 has it for FREIRE. And stolen by number 5. Making it way down in a hurry. Down the court. And stumbles out of bounds to FREIRE. To the delight of the FREIRE cheerleaders. Number 12 has it. To number 11. The press. And broken up. Number 15 has it. Towards the basket. Gets hit and goes down. And will head to the free throw for free throws 1 and 2. 6:30 left to play here in the first. Holding her arm at the moment. Last game she went down a few times, and the game before she went down even more. The glamorous Griffins in competition with the cheer team of FREIRE Middle School. 6:05 left. First free throw. Cheer team. First free throw. Not there. Maybe affected by the cheerleaders. It rolled deep. Second free throw. And sinks it. And just like that, ICS has a 1-point lead to the delight of the Groovy Griffins. And just one person needs to inbound. Oh, violation, no call. Number 6 steals it. And kicked out of bounds by number 6. It will be FREIRE basketball. Number 12. Inbound number 11, pressed by number 5 and number 3. And they won't let her through. Number 12 has it. Number 15 has it. Again to the basket. The reverse, not there. Number 17 goes down in a hurry. Is that number 7? Number 11. Number 9 has it. And taken by number 6. Number 3, throws it up. Not there. And she will go to the free throw line for free throws number 1 and 2. 4:45 left in the first. Number 3, who had a good game last week, as the ball goes into the court. Number 15 going over to talk to Coach Malik. First free throw to number 3. You might want to shoot it before the chance starts getting worse. And 6, the first free throw. ICS has a 2-point lead here in the first. 4:15 left. Number 5 leaving the free throw line for defense. Second free throw, sinks it. ICS has a 3-point lead. And taking number 15 is number 11. Trying to get past it and does. Gets it to the middle. Number 23 puts it up, not there. Fighting for the rebound. To the ground, out of bounds. It should be ICS basketball. Good hustle by number, who's that? Can't tell. Number 41. Number 15 gets past number 11. To the basket, puts it up, and not there. Tips it, out of bounds. It will be FREIRE basketball. The chance of defense by the FREIRE cheer team. 3.5 left in the first. Number 12 gets it to number 11. Oh, out of bounds. It will be ICS basketball. She almost turned it over last time, and this time she did turn it over. Number 15 under the basket gets hit, and the foul! She will go to the free throw for the second time this game to try to increase the lead. Number 15, very aggressive as is customary for her. 1 free throw. Number 6. Number 23 switches places. Number 12 goes off the line. Scores 5-0, 2:45 left. Perfect. Why didn't the rebound? She gets her own rebound. The left scores! Number 15 again. The Arsenal will not stop. 7-0, 2.5 to play in the first. Number 11 to number 9. Oh no, dangerous pass. No one is there. Another turnover. Number 4, substitution. Coming in for FREIRE. Number 4 will come in for, number 2 will come in for FREIRE. Number 5 to the middle, puts it up. Yes! 2 minutes left. And FREIRE is left yet to score. Scores 9-0. Dangerous pass. Number 23 has it. To the middle, to number 4. Shoots and scores. The first point of the game is scored with 1:45 left in the first. Number 15 gets past number 11. Gets to the right-hand side. They have to spread out. Oh, almost loses it. The defense is there. Number 15 to the middle again. Takes it up, not there. 41 with the rebound. Gets hit, no call. Out of bounds. Kicked by one of the cheerleaders. 1:25. Timeout. FREIRE Academy. 1:24 left in the first. Too many turnovers for FREIRE to be happy. If you're Coach Malik, you're happy with the full court effort that your team has given you. Number 15 is spent right now. The Groovy Griffins. Groovy Griffins getting you fired up. That's Coach Whitney, Coach Lauren, Coach Kia, and Coach Angie. Here we have the call, and now we have the response from the cheer team from FREIRE Academy. That whistle signals the end of the timeout. It will be Griffin basketball. We're waiting for FREIRE girls to come back from the timeout. Number 3 will inbound the ball. Finds number 5, taken by number 12. Stolen by number 23. Number 11 gets to number 4. Stolen by number 15. 1:13 left. Number 5 with no one in front. Shoots, leaves it on the rim. 23 brings it down. Oh, makes it across half court. Number 5 to the gun. Number 12 is open. Doesn't shoot. Number 11 gathers. Number 23 has it. Number 5 with a forehead of steam. Taken by number 12. And the foul! Again, the ICS pouring it on in the first. The score's 11-2, 35 seconds left in the first. Number 5, who plays with a lot of energy, as we've seen last year. She must be exhausted. She has so much energy inside of her. Such a smart player. Throws it up, and in and out. 15 with the rebound. Throws it up, leaves it on the rim. Again, scores! 8 seconds left in the first. They have to go. Throws it, no one there. 23 all the way, and leaves it on the rim. At the end of 1, ICS Griffins 13, FREIRE 2. Glamorous Griffins. If you're Coach James and Coach Malik, you want to see them spread a little bit more, but you also want them to keep doing what they're doing. They're up 11. It's their game to lose. Number 8 checks in. Coach Malik giving them instructions. Number 5 getting a drink of water. You'll see the coaches for FREIRE Academy. Still early. 3 quarters of basketball left to be played. Number 12 inbounds to number 11. Met by number 8 and 15. Finds number 9. Taken by number 1, almost strips it. Off the knee, good defense by number 1, causing that turnover. Number 1, who had his strongest game of the 2 seasons last week. Excellent defense by number 1. Number 15 bringing it down. Met by number 11, trying to get past number 11. Finds number 8, puts it up. Leaves it on the rim, tipped around. Fighting for it, number 8 is. Good hustle by both number 8 and number 23. Boys game up next. But right now, let's enjoy this one. Number 8 will inbound for ICS. Finds number 15, puts it up, sinks it again! So much talent in one person. Number 1, this time gets called for the foul. Number 11 thought it was something she did, but no, it was on number 1. Number 12 inbounds to number 11. 5:45 left in the second. In the half. He has to go. So number 23 is there for the reception. Back to number 11. Gets past number 8. Met by 15. Pushed out of bounds. Whistle, whistle, whistle. Number 24. Thought she had a fast break. We're calling it back. 5.5 to play in the half. Pushed out of bounds. Someone needs to get it for FREIRE. It's number 12. Number 11, the receptor. Pass to number 23. Met by number 1. Aggressive. Foul on number 1. If you're number 1, you want to move your feet and not wrap the player up with your hands. Number 11 has it. Pass inside to number 23, a little too high. Turnover, another turnover for the FREIRE Academy. They can't get back into this game if they keep turning the ball over. 15-5, ICS up front. Number 15 gets past 11. Leaves on the rim, good rebound. Wow. Oh, Selena steals it, number 24. Gets up, travel. It will be FREIRE basketball. Number 11 clapping her hands. Number 12 will inbound for FREIRE. Finds number 11. Number 11 met the double team. Gets it back to number 12. Number 23 has it. Out of bounds. 2-2. It will be FREIRE basketball. In the corner, 23 wide open, scores. You want to see number 23 and number 24 put their hands up in that possession. 3:45 left in the half. Number 15 bringing it down. Whistle, whistle. There's a marker on the court. The ref spotted it. Coach goes to get it. Three and a half left in the half. Coach wants to speak. Some of the players, substitutions coming in for ICS. It's a score that you would let everybody play at this point of the game. Trust me, they'll be back in the game. Number 3 goes in, number 1 goes out. And almost stolen, number 5 regains possession. And then stolen by number 4. Number 5 gets it back. How many turnovers in one time? And falls to the ground out of bounds. It will be ICS basketball. A lot of action, not too many possessions. 250. Number 3 will inbound the ball. Number 4 in front of him. Scoot of hands on number 5. Number 11 to the middle, takes it up and contact. She will go to the free throw line for her first free throws of the game. Groovy Griffin's trying to stop that from happening. Number 41 takes her place on the line. Trying to rattle her on the line are the group, the Glamorous Griffins. First free throw. And they leave it on the rim substitution. Number 5 comes in for the Griffins. Number 23 goes out for FREIRE. This is as loud as we've seen it here at ICS. Second free throw, not there. Number 6 with the rebound to number 3, and takes it back, but turns it over again. Another turnover. No one in front. Number 12 to number 11, and another foul. Number 11 slow to get up. Coach comes over. We hope she's okay. 1:25 left in the half. Holding her stomach or her wrist. A few of the starters for ICS getting their rest. And it's been a more physical game ever since. But they need experience. This is how you get it. Coach James and Coach Malik know this. The Glamorous Griffins, not the Groovy Griffins. The Glamorous Griffins. Excellent job. Let's see if we get a response from the FREIRE cheer team. Okay, that whistle signals the end of the timeout. Free throws coming up for FREIRE Academy. We saw one of their players hit the floor hard after being fouled. Still holding her side, and we hope that she'll be able to shoot these free throws. The thing is, if she's not able to hit these free throws, then she can't play for the rest of the game. So we hope she's okay. First free throw. Banks it in. Scores 15-5. 10-point lead. 4-possession ball game at the moment. I want to see if they box out. And again, making it look easy. 1 minute left in the half. Number 5 coming down with full head of steam. All the way to the basket and loses it. Turnover, no contact. 47 seconds left in the half. Number 11 controls it. Coach Malik wants his players to spread out, move their hands. Active hands leads to turnovers. Puts it up, denied by number 6. But she doesn't go for it. She has to commit. She didn't commit to it. Excellent defense. Excellent defense by number 6. 31 seconds left in the half. Number 12 will inbound. She has number 9. She has number 9. Number 11 shoots. Not there. Number 4 stumbles. Griffin basketball. Number 5 will bring it down. She had an excellent opportunity last time. Met by number 11. Met by number 4, the double team comes. Somebody's open. Somebody's open. Dribbling. Oh, almost stepped out of bounds. Gives it to the defense. Number 9 comes out in a hurry. Number 5 catches up and steals it. 8 seconds left. 11 takes it back. No one in front. Shoots and scores at the half. The score is ICS 15 and FREIRE Academy 8. The boys for FREIRE going to change. Their game is up next in about 20 minutes after the half. The cheer team for ICS coming up. you go. Team, also known as the Glamorous Griffins. Routine. Coach Angie, Coach Lauren, Coach Kia, and Coach Whitney doing an excellent job with the Glamorous Griffins. A lot of bravado. As the girls team enters the arena, 7 minutes are up in the clock. ICS with the second half. Number 3 will inbound the ball. Has number 15 available. Finds number 15. A good screen by number 5. Right back to number 5. To number 6. Throws it up. Not there. Number 3 has it. To number 5. Puts it up. Partially blocked. Throws it up. 41. Not there. 23 with the rebound. All the starters back on the court. Number 6 has it. Taken right back by number 12. Number 11. 6.5 left to play in the third. Number 11 calling out a play. She has to get over half court. She does. Finds number 9, dangerous pass, and it's taken by number 5. Comes down in a hurry. Let's see if she can finish, and takes it in. Rebounded by number 15. Leaves it on the rim. Number 5 again. Not there. Rebounded by number 11. Coming down. met by number 3 and number 15. Number 11 looking to break free of number 15. It's not easy. Number 5 in front of number 12. Gets it into number 4. Number 6 had a hand on it. Number 23 with the rebound. Leaves it on the rim. 23 again. And that time scores. The FREIRE Academy is inching up. ICS leaving a lot of points on the rim. 5.5 left to play in the third. Number 15 brings it down. Blitz a triple team. Takes it up. Hits. A lot of contact. No fall. She's bouncing bodies off of her. Not there. Number 41 tips it out. Number 15 with the rebound. We want to see some screens being set. There's no screens being set. Number 12 in front of number 5. Oh, number 12 ball. Puts it up. Number 3 with the rebound. And scores! Number 3. Cool, calm, and collected. Someone needs to get it. Timeout. FREIRE Academy. 3 possession ball game at the moment. 17-10. This is a FREIRE cheer team. Let's see if the ICS Glamorous Griffins respond. 4:52 left in the third. There's a response. Griffins, don't stop. Show them what you got. We like to see students come back who've graduated. We see Kaja, we see Ahmad, we see Devon, Devin, and we have this guy over here, and we have this guy over here, and we have this guy over here who graduated last year, coming back to watch the boys and the girls play basketball. FREIRE will inbound the ball. Number 12 will have it. Number 11 has it. She's been controlling the ball most of the game. Dangerous pass. And taken by number 15. To the middle with the left hand. Yes! Number 15 again. It's not easy to contain her. Number 5, aggressive with the defense. Number 15 is there. Uh-oh. Bad things happen when number 15 comes over. And whistle. Do they want the timeout? What's happening? They're discussing it. This is as good as we've seen the ICS cheer team. Amazing job these coaches have done with these girls. Cheer team for FREIRE Academy. Okay. It's not easy to cheer for your team when your team is down, but that's when you need cheering the most. Life lesson. Number 11 is calling out a play to the middle, and that's where number 5 lives. Oh, it's travel. She couldn't stop. 4 minutes left in the third. Number 11 will bring it down, calling over number 2. She needs somebody to set a screen for her or something. And again, the same thing just keeps happening. Number 5, number 23. Number 11 throws it up. Too strong. Number 23 with the rebound, steps. Coach wanting the player once to get the rebound to take it right back up. Number 15, double team, and off the leg of Number 12 will be ICS basketball. Substitution. Number 6 comes in. Somebody needs to go out. Number 4 goes out. Number 9 will inbound the ball. No. It'll be number 3. Oh, not a good pass. Got to make eye contact for 3. Not a bad shot by number 11. 2:50 left in the third. She has a shot. Why not take it? They need points. Number 5 shoots. Number 41 with the rebound. Puts it up. Not there. 9 rebounds. Number 11 has it. Met by number 5. Number 9 has it. Met by number 3. Number 12 has it. Met by number 41. Back to number 11. 23 puts it up. Off the rim. 12 has it. Number 5 brings it down. And broken up by number 11. Number 12 falls on it. Number 15 wants it away. Picking her up with the ball. How strong is she? 2 minutes left in the third. Substitution, number 3 goes out. Number 23 goes out. Number 8 comes in. Number 1 comes in for ICS. Number 12 will inbound. Finds number 11. Back to number 9. Oh, she was open. She was open. Number 6 falls to the ground. Small shove. Number 9 has it. Looking to get open. Throws it down middle. Number 15 falls it. 15 has it. Number 11 wrestles it away. Number 11 is stronger than she looks. She's been in the middle of everything. Someone needs to get ICS. Needs to inbound the ball. 1 minute left in the third. 23 right up in front of the FREIRE cheer team. Oh no! Lane violation. It will be FREIRE basketball. Need to work on the inbounding for next week. She has number 9. Oh, she had number 9. Number 15 breaks it up and takes it. Coming down the court. Trying to catch up with number 23 and leaves it on the rim. Hustles. What hustle? On number 11. No one in front. Shoots. Not there. Gets her own rebound foul. As number 12 goes to the ground. 2 seconds at the end of the third. ICS 19, FREIRE Academy 10. Stranger things have been known to happen. FREIRE cheer team. Here we have the glamorous Griffins getting ready to respond in their own time, deciding what they want to say. This is probably as crowded as we've seen it in a long time. It's a good sign. Have the glamorous Griffins. We have Mackenzie coming, former player, boys team in the back. Seven minutes left in this game. If you're FREIRE, turnovers. That's what has them losing right now. Turnovers. You can't expect to be winning and turn the ball over so much. Number 11 has to move the ball a little more too. Finds number 9. Picks it up, back to number 11. 23. And they're just giving it back to number 11 all the time. Someone needs to shoot. Number 15, down in a hurry, met by number 11, who's doing everything, and the foul. She will head to the free throw line. To try to increase this lead. The score is 21-10 at the moment, 6.5 left to play the boys game in a few minutes. Rebounded by number 23. Number 11 brings it down, throws it up ahead. Number 4 is open, shoots, scores! And just like that, FREIRE Academy looking to make one last push. Number 15, good screen by number 5. And number 15 leaves it on the rim and gets her own rebound. Oh my goodness. How many times have you seen that? Number 11, met by number 5. This time gets rid of it sooner, but no one is there to receive it. 15, met by number 12, through the hands of number 3. 5 shoots it, scores! Splash! How good is she? Number 5 getting low for the defense. She smells blood in the water. Number 4 has it, shoots. Number 5 has it again. Double team, all the way to the basket. Oh, no, whistle, whistle, whistle. On the floor, number 12 with the foul. She doesn't believe it. Number 6 comes in. Number 9 goes out. Not a bad game for number 9. 5 shoots. Not again. Not that time. Number 3 shoots. Not there. Number 23. ICS are getting a lot of good shots. Number 11 has it. Oh, no one there to receive it. No one there to receive it. I think she wanted number 6 to come over, but it wasn't a certain pass. She was not expecting it. Number 3 inbound. 4:19 left to play. Finds number 5. Met by number 12. Number 6 in front. Number 5 passes up the shot. The 15. Met by number 11. Throws it up. In and out. How many of those have we seen? She takes nothing but good shots. 11. Bringing it down against number 15. And broken up. Smacks it out of her hand. Number 15 picks it up. Puts it up. And in and out again. Good rebound by number 3. Feeling a lot more comfortable on the court these days. 3:42 left in the game. Boys game up next. A lot of parents and friends, visitors still coming in. Number 11. I have to be a little bit more patient with her. I understand her frustration. But make sure you're making eye contact before you pass. She was not expecting that pass. If no one is open, just keep it. Don't make the pass. If no one is open, don't make the pass. Coach for FREIRE talking to the ref. There you see Coach James and Coach Malik, who have had their girls prepared, staying long hours after work this whole week and weeks before. They're not done coaching yet. You see Coach James telling them to switch over. The boys for ICS, for FREIRE Academy come in. Number 12 goes down to the ground. 3 minutes left in this game. It's difficult to hear anything because the cheer team are what they would call lit. Number 11 shoots. Not there. Number 24 almost had it. 23 puts it up. Not there. 23 still fighting for the ball. Good hustle. Throws it in. It's taken by number 1. And call for steps. Number 1, give the ball to the ref. 2:23 left in this game. 27-12. Second blowout by ICS. Number 11 has it. Oh, gets tripped up. Gets tripped up. Talking to the crowd, number 1. She knows how to play defense. She just has to move her feet and not wrap the play around. Number 12 has it. So number 11, she should look for her own shot. Gets to the middle. Number 23 has it. Number 10 has her hands on it. 24 recovers the steal. Number 11 with the steal. Number 5. Number 24 recovers it. Loses number 12. Travel. Good effort, but wrong results. Oh, number 23, deep in conversation with the crowd. Gets subbed out. 1:38 left in this game. Number 12 gets it into number 11, who has done pretty much everything for FREIRE. This game, number 8 in front, gets past number 8, splits the defense, throws it up. Not there. Excellent move by number 11. Fight to the ground. He's still fighting for it. Is number 8. Jump ball. It will be ICS basketball. Number 1 trying not to step on the pom-poms. Number 8. Oh no! They were going the other way. The good news is she scored. The bad news is it's the wrong basket. 27-14, it happens, it happens. Oh, broken up, number 11 with the steal, takes it up, and the foul! Uh-oh, she has not given up yet. 4 points in the last 10 seconds. Score 16-27. They need people at the free throw line. One free throw. Number 11, Coach Malik and Coach James biting their nails as these turnovers come along. Everything is shaking. Rebound, 10 had it for a second. Number 8 wrestling it away. And great rebound by number 8, 50 seconds left in the game. 24 throws it up. Number 1 puts it up. Number 11 has it again. She has a no for the basket. No one in front. Breezing to the basket and scores again on the foul. FREIRE trying to make a comeback with 38 seconds left. And just like that, the starters are set to check back in. Scores 27-18. 11 has one free throw. Number 15 and 9 change places on the free throw line. We thought we saw the end of number 9. She checks back in for defensive purposes. As loud as we've seen it at ICS. And then free throw, backs it in. Number 15 has it. The clock is not moving. Be careful, be careful. Yeah. 35 seconds. Offensive foul, number 15. Number 9 will inbound the ball. Has number 11. Gets it into number 12. Puts it up. Not there. Number 12. 15 with the rebound. 25 seconds. Number 15. Breaks the defense. Puts it away. Yes! Number 15 says this game is over. 10-point lead. Number 11. Comes to number 5. Number 11. Number 15 has it again. She won't be denied. Takes to the basket. And 1. She scores. Clapping her hands. It's a fiery effort by number 15. Just throws it up at the end of 4. ICS 31. And FREIRE Academy 19. Post-game handshake. The boys game up next.